Today marks International Overdose Awareness Day, and the latest numbers from the Florida Department of Health show that last year EMS responded to more than 106,000 overdoses in the state. Now, in 2020, more than 7,400 people died of an overdose in Florida. That's more overdose deaths than 19 states combined. Tonight, how a Jacksonville organization is doing its part to stop the numbers from climbing even higher.
Inspire to Rise has completely changed my life.
Jamie Smiley knows the toll drugs can take.
I have overdosed probably 6 times. We would keep Narcan in the house. My husband has brought me back about 3 times.
She lost custody of her kids in 2019.
I wasn't able to see my kids for 4 years, so I went deeper into my addiction. Fentanyl was my drug of choice.
As she battled the grips of addiction,
I knew I had a problem, but I couldn't admit it.
She watched those around her die.
2021, I had a friend that passed away from a fentanyl overdose. And then my sister passed away of a fentanyl overdose. So all I could see was I'm next.
Determined to get clean, she checked into an inpatient facility. And when she got out, she came here to Inspire to Rise in Jacksonville.
We've been described as the IKEA of social services. I consider ourselves a community center focused on holistically treating people.
Thank you. It's very nice to meet you.
Ida Siraj started the nonprofit on the west side in the zip code with the most overdoses in Duval County.
We're going that way?
She warns that fentanyl, which is highly addictive and can be deadly, is being laced into all kinds of drugs and pressed into fake pills.
In 32210, it is in Duval County, it is the highest incident of overdoses here in this zip code. 32254 being following right after. So that is also why we have a second location in 32254.
Her organization is going door to door handing out Narcan and awareness kits.
With Inspire to Rise?
There's this drug, it's very addictive. It can kill you even on the first try, but there's a way to save your life. And educating the family, the entire family, on how to use it, because you can't save yourself with Narcan.
Inspire to Rise is on a mission to connect people with the resources they need.
From community behavioral health to outpatient treatment and intervention services, so that we can make an impact on that person's life.
Services that Jamie says helped transform her life so she could regain custody of her children.
On July 6th, I got the phone call and they told me we got our kids back. So 2.5 years, I lost time with my kids because of my addiction. And I've been sober since November 17, 2021.
Her advice for anyone thinking about using drugs: don't do it.
Don't take the first of anything, because you might think, oh, I'll do it one time and I'm not gonna get addicted. But you don't know. And it could be that one time you do it that you die.
And for those struggling with addiction, she says don't be embarrassed. All you have to do is walk through the door and someone is willing to help you.
I was so worried about what people would think of me. But you know what? Life happens. And it's what you do about it that makes you a better person. So you have to reach out, ask for help. Don't be scared.
Take her advice, reach out and get help. And I've posted a link to Inspire to Rise and the services it offers in this story. It's on firstcoastnews.com right now. And if you're struggling with addiction, you can also call the substance abuse hotline. The number is right there, 1-800-662-HELP. It's a confidential free service available 24/7.